Hey guys, we're here at the Warrior Wood Shop. We're going to help out one of our other teachers repair a floor in her camper. Come on inside and see what we're starting with. We've got basically a water damaged floor. You want to tell them, you mind being on camera, telling them what you were...
Sure. Hi guys. Okay, so bought this camper from a guy in Chicago. He told me that there was just a soft spot in front of the door. Okay, well, after a little bit of evaluation, you can see that that wasn't all the damage. I took out the front seat that was here, and underneath that, everything was molded and trashed. So all the way up to the front of it is trashed. And then it comes a little bit in and maybe over to the other opening. They have two storage opening doors on the front, and I think maybe some water damage came in from those. Maybe they weren't sealed good. So far that's what we see.
This is what happens in a lot of campers. You don't know where the water's coming from. The top of the door has been caulked extremely, and here's where people get confused. The walls are solid. She's very fortunate there that have solid walls, but what I think was happening is it was running down the track of the door and started getting the floor wet. Well, it had no place to dry, and it just slowly started to expand like a wet sponge. So we're gonna have to go from there. Yeah. The key to repairing any water damage is, one, get it cleaned up. So you can see Miss Williams right now is doing all the sweeping as much as you can. We're gonna bring a shop vac out. But the second key is dry. You gotta start dry. If we just slap flooring right over the top of this, which is what the previous owner did, had a little bit of water damage. Sounds like they slapped a laminate over the old flooring. Is that what happened, you think?
Yeah.
They didn't repair anything. Caulked the seam, put laminate flooring over it, and basically hid it from the next potential buyer, which happened to Miss Williams. But fortunately, this is repairable. But again, we're gonna clean it up, pull up anything that's wet, or dry it out. You don't always have to completely replace it, but some of it is beyond reuse. So that's where we're starting out, is getting everything dry. We're gonna put a fan on it for a day or two. We're just gonna put a fan inside, plug it in an extension cord, and let everything dry out before we even start. It is a cold, rainy Sunday and a Monday. So we didn't get anything done today on the camper except discovering we haven't solved the leak. We are guessing at this point, based on where it's centered out, that this probably right here, this gap in the awning, and probably some caulking here. So we're going to replace all that once it dries out, and possibly it could be getting into this door jamb right here. So we'll check all those seals. Better to find out now before we put it all back together. Thanks for watching. Tune in for more updates. This is actually a student project. It's for a teacher, but the students are doing the work. So it's not going to be as tutorial based as some of the other projects that we might post. But we'll try to get some video of them working on it and maybe explaining what's going on. And we'll try to give you weekly updates on how it's going. So you might have this problem. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit that bell thingy, because we don't just work on trailers, we work on woodshop projects. We give tips, we give techniques, we give tools. Again, the major focus of the channel is the students and the student projects. But if you can get something out of this, and as one of the teachers told me, this is real world problems. This is not cutting a board in a perfect shop in a perfect setting. They've got a problem solved to get this one done. So This is an awesome project for the boys. I look forward to see how it turns out. Thanks for watching. Now go out and make some sawdust.